good morning. In the quiet hours of a fading summer day, when the golden hues of twilight bathed the workshop in a warm glow, I found myself engrossed in an array of strange contraptions and intricate designs. The smell of aged parchment, mixed with the metallic tang of tools, filled the air, while the rhythmic scratching of my quill was accompanied by the soft clinks of metal and wood. One particular project consumed my thoughts, a flying machine. This grand endeavor was born out of my fascination with the flight of birds and my ceaseless quest to make such wonder a reality for mankind. The problem lay not merely in the mechanics, but in the very concept of overcoming gravity. Hours turned into days as I pored over countless sketches, struggling with the design of wings that could lift a man into the sky. My initial attempts were rudimentary, a series of wooden frames and fabric sheets that flapped awkwardly in the wind. Yet, despite their initial failures, they provided critical insights into the forces at play. One evening, as the sky darkened and the first stars emerged, a sudden flash of inspiration struck me. I had been studying the flight patterns of a hawk, noting the subtle adjustments it made mid-air. The key, I realized, was not just in the shape of the wings, but in their ability to adapt to changing conditions. I recall sitting in my dimly lit workshop, the shadows of my designs dancing on the walls. With renewed vigor, I sketched a new design, a set of wings with adjustable sections, inspired by the hawk's feathered precision. The mechanism would allow for the adaptation of the wing's surface area, a crucial feature that mimicked the bird's own flight adaptations. As I labored over this new design, Francesco, a fellow inventor and confidant, entered the workshop. He marveled at the array of sketches and models strewn across the table. "Leonardo," Francesco said with curiosity, "what new marvel are you crafting today?" I looked up, eyes alight with the excitement of discovery. "Francesco, I believe I've found a way to make flight feasible. The key lies in adapting the wing structure dynamically, much like how a hawk adjusts its feathers. This could transform our approach to flying machines." Francesco's eyes widened in amazement. "So you're saying that by imitating the natural world, you've devised a method to overcome one of humanity's greatest challenges?" "Indeed," I replied, "the essence of innovation often lies in nature's own designs. We must observe, understand, and then recreate those principles to solve our most daunting problems." With this breakthrough, I poured my energies into refining the design. The adjustable wings were tested in various conditions, from calm breezes to turbulent gusts. Each test, though fraught with challenges, brought valuable lessons and incremental improvements. The process was arduous, yet each setback only deepened my understanding and honed my approach. Choose a problem or challenge you are facing, whether in your personal or professional life. Approach it with a fresh perspective, drawing inspiration from unexpected sources. Consider how you might adapt or innovate by observing patterns or principles from nature or other fields. Document your insights and experiment with creative solutions. Through this exercise, you may discover new ways to tackle your problems and unlock innovative approaches. Embrace creativity in problem solving and let it guide you to overcome even the most formidable obstacles. Wishing you a day full of inspiration and discovery.